Readiness Manager is an enhancement of the housekeeping functionality in the VRM system. Due to the complexity of the functionality and the level at which it can be customized to meet your needs, we have a number of different videos highlighting the different areas of Readiness Manager. This video is going to provide a quick overview of the new functionality. The additional videos in the series will break down the system into bite-sized pieces, which will allow us to go into more detail. Basically, Readiness Manager is a supercharged version of the housekeeping schedule. It allows you to keep track of more than just departure cleans and housekeeping work orders. It also gives the added benefit of allowing vendors who are out in the field to log into the vendor portal and keep track of tasks and work orders that have been assigned to them. They can also mark them complete using their mobile devices. This will update the Readiness Manager grid in real time, so anyone at your office keeping track of the tasks and work orders immediately know what has been finished and what hasn't. Readiness Manager can be used in a variety of different ways based on how your company manages cleans and other tasks assigned to either properties or reservations. But don't be overwhelmed. It's important to keep in mind that Readiness Manager is optional. It can be turned on or off under System Configuration, Property, Readiness Tasks. If you don't want to use the Readiness Manager, you don't have to. If you choose not to use Readiness Manager, the housekeeping module, including the housekeeping schedule, will continue to work as it always has. And if you do want to use Readiness Manager, you can set up the task in it as you need to best suit your needs. You can make it as simple or complex as you'd like. Please enjoy the other videos in the Readiness Manager series. After viewing them, if you have questions or need additional help, please reach out to the help desk, either by logging a ticket or emailing us at help@vrmgr.com. Thank you.